Exploring the potential benefits of Giddyup tea. Giddyup tea is a herbal blend designed to uplift mood and combat feelings of depression. It counteracts inertia, the state of inactivity or lack of energy. The tea's ingredients provide a natural energy boost. Giddyup tea encourages physical activity, combating sedentary behavior. Mood enhancement. Giddyup tea is intended to help uplift mood and combat feelings of downheartedness or depression. Inertia buster. The tea is formulated to counteract inertia, which is a state of inactivity or lack of energy. Energizing effects. The tea's ingredients are likely chosen for their potential to provide a natural energy boost. Promotes movement. Giddyup tea aims to encourage physical movement and activity, combating the tendency to stay sedentary. Motivation booster. By improving mood and energy levels, the tea may enhance motivation to engage in productive activities. Herbal blend. The tea likely contains a combination of herbs selected for their potential to provide the desired effects. Natural ingredients. It's likely that the tea's ingredients are sourced from natural herbs and plants. Lack of energy link. The tea addresses the connection between low energy levels and the inclination to remain inactive. Natural ingredients. It's likely that the tea's ingredients are sourced from natural herbs and plants. Caffeine-free option. Giddyup tea might offer a caffeine-free alternative to traditional energy-boosting beverages. Licorice consideration. The note about omitting licorice is important for individuals with high blood pressure, as licorice can potentially affect blood pressure levels. Herbal synergy. The specific combination of herbs in the blend may work synergistically to achieve the desired effects. Holistic approach. Giddyup tea aligns with a holistic approach to well-being by addressing both physical and mental aspects of energy and motivation. Adaptogenic potential. Some herbs in the blend could have adaptogenic properties, helping the body adapt to stress and improve energy. Potential calming effects. While the tea aims to energize, it might also contain herbs that provide a calming influence to balance its effects. Personalized use. Like any herbal remedy, the effectiveness of Giddyup tea could vary based on individual preferences and reactions. Consultation suggested. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new herbal blend, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Natural motivation. Giddyup tea aligns with the idea of finding natural sources of motivation and energy. Cultural traditions. Herbal teas have been used in various cultural traditions for their potential health benefits and energy-boosting effects. Flavor profile. The taste of the tea could vary depending on the included herbs, possibly ranging from sweet to herbal and slightly bitter. Alternative to stimulants. For those who prefer to avoid caffeine or stimulants, Giddyup tea might be a suitable option. Encourages healthy habits. By promoting movement and motivation, the tea indirectly encourages a healthier lifestyle. Mind-body connection. Giddyup tea acknowledges the link between mental state and physical activity. Temporary effects. The energizing effects of the tea might be temporary and not a long-term solution for chronic fatigue. Potential anti-fatigue herbs. Some herbs like ginseng, ashwagandha, or rhodiola could be potential components due to their anti-fatigue properties. Cautious use. As with any herbal remedy, moderation is key, and it's wise to listen to your body's response to the tea. It's important to note that the specific ingredients and effects of Giddyup tea are not provided in your description. So these points are general considerations based on the information provided. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding new herbal blends or supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Recipe. Makes 45, 1 cup, servings. A 1/4 cup green tea leaves. A 1/4 cup dried chopped, cut and sifted, shatavari root. 2 tablespoons dried holy basil. 2 tablespoons dried chopped, cut and sifted, eleuthero root. 1½ tablespoons dried schisandra berries. 1½ tablespoons dried ginkgo leaf. 1 tablespoon dried chopped, cut and sifted, licorice root. 1 in a small bowl, combine the green tea, shatavari root, holy basil, eleuthero root, schisandra berries, ginkgo, and licorice root and mix well. 2. Place in a 1-cup container, label, and date. 3. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of the blend in an infuser. Put the infuser in a 10-ounce mug and fill the mug with hot water. Steep for 10 minutes. Remove the infuser. Compost the solids. You can drink this tea daily. 4. Store the loose tea in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight for up to 1 year.